Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. No, Will Robinson. Danger.
Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's video, we've come to the Fairfield Hotel here in East Peoria, Illinois. I'm just going to give a short room tour, and then at the end I'll just kind of sum up my experience of staying here. So let's go and check it out. This is the hallway where my room is located on the 3rd floor. Now this room is kind of neat. In order to turn the lights on, you actually had to put the room key into the slot before flipping the switch, and that would turn the lights on. Kind of like the tile work here in the bathroom. The room was a little smaller than what I expected it to be, but for just a short stay here, it was fine. Let there be light. I just found this light here by the desk area, just kind of a neat light. And here is the view outside the window. Now, the only thing negative about the room was that this, I don't know if it's a smoke detector or a sprinkler, but it was disconnected and hanging down. The hotel had all the amenities that typical hotels do, the ice machine, a laundry service, a small fitness center, they do have a small indoor pool. I didn't get a chance to use that, but they have that in a hot tub here. All right, my stay here at the Fairfield Hotel in East Peoria, Illinois has come to an end. I have to say, overall, it was a pleasant stay. They serve a breakfast here every morning, which is really nice. I'm glad there are a lot of hotels that are bringing that back after having stopped it during COVID. And, the people were really friendly. Everything was clean. It was a pleasant stay. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.